Hi all, you are welcome in your own channel Future Technology. This video is part of our data science full course series. First of all, let us see what we will learn in this video section. Our topic is in this video section probability terminology. Probability experiment. When working the probability, we call anything that we can get a result from a probability experiment. You could consider rolling a die, flipping a coin, or randomly choosing a number a probability experiment. Depending on your perspective, you could even call driving to work a probability experiment, with the possible result being you arrive on a time or you don't. A random experiment is an experiment for which the set of a possible outcome is known, but which particular outcome will occur on a particular execution of the experiment cannot be said prior to performing the experiment. Tossing a coin, rolling a die, and drawing a card from a deck are all examples of a random experiment. A random experiment is an experiment for which the set of a possible outcome is known. A random experiment is a physical situation whose outcome cannot be predicted until it is observed. Random experiment or a process for which outcome cannot be predicted with certainty. Outcome. A single result of a probability is called an outcome. Some books use the word simple event. When flipping a coin, the possible result or outcome are heads or tails. In the example of a driving to work, the outcomes are on time and not on time. As you can see, in some cases the perspective matter. Consider another example. Rolling two six-sided dice. We could look at the sum of the faces. If two 6 come up, then the outcome is 12, or just the faces themselves, 6 6. Both of these could be considered outcome. An outcome of a random experiment is any one of the possible result of the experiment. The outcome is the possible result of an event. For example, when a die is rolled, the possible outcome are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sample space. The sample space of a random experiment is the set of all possible outcomes for that experiment. The entire possible set of outcomes of a random experiment is the sample space S of that experiment. Some example. Tossing a coin. The sample space is head and tail. Rolling a die. The sample space, the 6 outcome, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Event. An event is any group of outcome from the sample space. If I was flipping 2 coins, one event is that I get tails and least one. This happened with the outcome head tails, tails head, and tails tails. Event can also be written using set notation. Looking at the event we just talked about, the event of a tails at least one could be called E and written as E is equal to head tail, tail head, tail tail. Event is one or more outcome for an experiment. It rained is one of the possible event for this experiment. There are two types of event: disjoint events and non-disjoint. Disjoint do not have any common outcome. The outcome of a ball delivered cannot be a sixer and a wicket. A single card drawn from a deck cannot be a king and queen. A man cannot be dead and alive. Non-disjoint event can have common outcome. A student can get 100 marks in a statistic and 100 marks in probability. The outcome of a ball delivered can be a NN ball and a 6. Probability. Probability is a measure of how likely an event is. Example, so if it is 60% chance that it will rain tomorrow, the probability of outcome it rained for tomorrow is 0.6. Guys, in this video section we have learned about probability terminology. If you have any problem in this video section, then you can ask by comment and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the information of the new video immediately. If you like this video, then like it and share it. Thanks for watching.